Bonjour, classe. So today is going to be the first day of your French 1. All right? So French 1, and in French you would say Français 1. So if you notice, just to start, we have a little symbol over here that's a little bit different. We don't have this in English. It's called a CD. And I always say the CD is a little bit like the number 5, but you take off the top, just like I say that you behead it, just like Marie Antoinette, and you add this underneath your C. Okay, it's called a CD. This symbol, what it does is, if you didn't have it, when the C is in front of an A or the C is in front of an O in French, you pronounce it a hard C sound, a K sound. All right. The minute that you put this CD underneath, it keeps it soft. It gives it an S sound. So you get français instead of franquais. Okay? All right, so français 1, we're going to start with greetings. So if you want to greet someone, okay, what are a couple of greetings that we're going to use in French? So one of them, the most common one, salut. All right, salut is casual, and it basically just means hi. How are you doing? They also use salut to say goodbye sometimes. Oh, not focusing. Okay. All right. Then you have the one that you have probably heard of already. Bonjour, which also means hi. It means hello. And when you're being polite, you're going to say bonjour and the person. So either the person's name or you're going to use their title. So you might say bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur Petit. You might say, which means Mr. or Sir. You might say bonjour, madame. So for me, it would be bonjour, Madame Gorman. Okay. And then you would say bonjour, mademoiselle, which is Miss. Most of the time in France, if you don't know if the person is married or not married, but they're of age to be married, you're going to call them madame. That's being polite. If you know that they're not married, you would call them mademoiselle. Mademoiselle, my lady. Madame means my lady. Mademoiselle is my young lady. Okay. Another greeting, which would be in the evening, instead of saying bonjour, you're going to say bonsoir. Bonsoir, monsieur. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, mademoiselle. All right. And this one means good evening. Okay. How do you say goodbye? So these are greetings to say hello, to greet someone. And now you're going to have to say goodbye. You might say à bientôt. Okay, and here again you have another symbol that we don't have in English. We'll go over all the symbols at a later time, but à bientôt is one. And another one is à demain. So à bientôt means to see you soon. And à demain means see you tomorrow. À bientôt, à demain. Another one that they use is à plus tard. And à plus tard meaning see you later. This one also means see you later. À tout à l'heure. Okay, see you later, see you soon. Both of them mean see you later. À plus tard, it's become very common in France that they would say à plus. And what they've been doing in emails and in text messages, okay, they go à plus, meaning see you soon. Okay, this is like the little short abbreviation that you could use in a text message. À, and then the symbol plus, à plus. Okay. And the last one to say goodbye is going to be the most common one, I guess. Au revoir, meaning see you, till I see you again, basically, and it means goodbye. Okay, so here are your greetings to say hello to people. Here are your goodbyes, okay? Salut, very common, especially among the teenage kids. Salut, salut. Bonjour, being very polite. And then bonsoir is what's used instead of bonjour in the evening. To say goodbye, à bientôt and à demain. À bientôt, see you soon. It could be in a day, it could be in a week. It all depends what you're talking about. À demain, obviously, is I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. À plus tard, see you later. Could be later in the day. Abbreviated to à plus or à plus in a text message. And then à tout à l'heure, see you soon, till the next hour, basically. All right. This is not, when you say à tout à l'heure, it's not going to be see you the next day or see you in a week. À tout à l'heure is usually in the same day. And then au revoir, goodbye, as you would use it in English. Goodbye. Au revoir. Okay? All right, so now, in addition to these greetings, saying hello and saying goodbye, in order to extend your conversation a little bit, you're going to ask what a person's name is, right? So, to ask a person's name, part of our greetings, you are going to ask, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Meaning, what is your name? What is your name? What's your name? Okay. If you looked at these words word for word, comment is how you call yourself. How you call yourself, okay, is the setup for it in French. How do you respond to this? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? You're going to say, my name is, and in French it would be, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Madame Gorman. I call myself Mrs. Gorman, Madame Gorman. What about if you were talking about another person, right? What is his name? So then again, you're going to ask the question word comment. Il or elle s'appelle. I should have split that a little bit, but comment il s'appelle, comment elle s'appelle. Il is he. Elle is she. A little hint to try to remember that. Elle, as in Belle, Beauty and the Beast, Belle. So that's the girl. So comment elle s'appelle? How does she call herself? How does he call himself? So that S apostrophe is going to be herself or himself, okay? That's like the possessive in English. How are we going to answer that? Instead of saying, je m'appelle, I call myself, you're going to answer, oops, can you see it? Il s'appelle. We'll use the word Jean. Okay, il s'appelle Jean. So this name in French, Jean, is the equal to John in English. It looks like the word Jean, but this is the masculine form, which is John. And then if it was a girl, elle s'appelle Jeanne. Jeanne, as in Jeanne d'Arc, Joan of Arc. Okay? Jean and Jeanne, that's the masculine. This is the feminine. Okay? So there you go. You have your greetings on how to greet someone. And then how do you extend the conversation? You're going to ask, what's your name? Or if you have more people in the group, you're going to say, what is his name? What is her name? And then you can respond. Je m'appelle Madame Gorman. Je m'appelle Claire. Je m'appelle Luc. Je m'appelle Daniel. And what about the other people in our group or standing away from us? Comment il s'appelle? Comment qu'il s'appelle? Comment elle s'appelle? Elle s'appelle Jeanne. Il s'appelle Jean. That's it for the greetings.